What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. This video I want to talk about square roots and rationalizing a two-term denominator. So sometimes you have a fraction and in the denominator you have two terms and one or two terms in the denominator are having square roots or radicals. In these cases we need to use the difference of squares or difference of square roots, and we rationalize it through product of conjugates pattern. So I will do some examples here to digest it better. We have first example is 4 over 4 plus root 2, and when I want to rationalize it, there are two terms in the denominator. One of them is square roots. So the answer is 4 over 4 plus root 2 multiplied by conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate, it means that when you have 4 plus root 2, it's going to be 4 minus root 2. 4 minus root 2. So that makes it 4 times 4 minus root 2 divided by 4 squared minus square root 2. So it's going to be 4 times 4 minus root 2 divided by 16 minus 2. So which is 4 times 4 minus root 2 divided by 14. And when you reduce it, it's going to be 2 4 minus root 2 divided by 7. Next example is 2 over 2 plus root 3. How do you do it? We have 2 over 2 plus root 3 multiplied by the conjugate, which is 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. That will be 2 times 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 squared minus root 3 squared. Then it will make it 2 times 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3, which is 1. So that's going to be just 2 times 2 minus root 3. Next example, we have 5 over 5 plus root 3. Answer is 5 over 5 plus root 3 multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 5 minus root 3, 5 minus root 3. So then when you multiply, it's going to be 5 times this expression. And here we have difference of squares. It's going to be 5 squared minus square root of 3 squared, which is going to be 5 times 5 minus root 3. And here we have 25 minus 3. That makes it 5 times 5 minus root 3 divided by 22. And that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.